I'm Adhyati English from 3rd A. This video is a small token of love and gratitude towards our teachers.
Lockdown time has been challenging for each of us.
Teachers have done a wonderful job. The online classes were exceptionally good.
And the revision classes before the annual exams have been helped Adya to prepare a lot.
The assignments, the homeworks, the projects, the extracurricular activities, everything were so good. And the notes being sent by the teachers, asking us to send back the notes for them to correct. I don't know how the teachers are able to do this, but hats off.
Moreover, the follow-up calls from the respective teachers about the classes are highly appreciative, and a big thanks to all teachers and Gokulam School.
I don't think so any other school has done so much of hard work on this online classes. They just had some formal classes and notes vagera etc and all, but our Gokulam school, hats off. And we have successfully completed this academic year digitally. They have finished the final exam yesterday and I'm very much satisfied with her performance, and all thanks to the teachers.
Thank you all the teachers. Shijina ma'am, Manshira ma'am, Aisha ma'am, Leah ma'am, Neetu ma'am, Viba ma'am, Seena ma'am, Radhika ma'am, Divya ma'am and Sarida ma'am. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Archana Rajesh, mother of Vaiga, 3rd D. In this COVID pandemic, online classes of this academic year were conducted by the Gokulam School in an effective manner. I would like to specifically appreciate the way teachers conducted classes, sharing notes, uploading YouTube classes. Teachers are so dedicated and hardworking that they have pointed out even a minute mistakes in the notes uploaded by the students. Portions were covered well in advance and we got so many revision classes, remedial classes, which helps the students to be thorough with the portions. They conducted all the exams in a systematic manner. Moreover, all the academic programs, birthday celebrations, national festivals also conducted through online mode, which exactly was a relaxation for the kids and they really enjoyed it. My special thanks to class teacher Seena ma'am for giving me an up-to-date information at proper time. The appreciation to the GPS team are beyond the words. Overall, the online classes were executed beautifully and I am 100% satisfied. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to the entire management, principal, Manoharan sir and all the teachers in this regard. Thank you.
Respected Principal Manoharan sir and my dear wonderful teachers, I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you from my heart for teaching me with great patience. Really, I'm lucky to have teachers like you. Definitely, online classes helps me to study everything I needed in the 3rd standard. All the teachers are very supportive and cleared my doubts. Once again, thank you teachers for all your supports and love.
ഹായ്, ഞാൻ മഞ്ജു ഹരി, ക്ലാസ് 6ൽ പഠിക്കുന്ന തരൺജോതിൻ്റെ പാരൻറ്റ്. ഈ ഒരു 2021 യൂണീക്ക് അക്കാഡമിക് ഇയർ ഓൺലൈൻ സെഷനായി സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന ടൈമിൽ എത്രത്തോളം ഇഫക്റ്റീവ് ആവുമെന്ന് വിചാരിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഇപ്പോൾ ഈ ഒരു അക്കാഡമിക് ഇയറിൻ്റെ എൻഡിലെത്തി. SGPS കാലിക്കറ്റ് ഓൺലൈൻ ക്ലാസ്സസൊക്കെ വളരെ റെഗുലറായിട്ട് തന്നെ കണ്ടക്റ്റ് ചെയ്തു. പോർഷൻസൊന്നും റഷ് ചെയ്തു പോവാതെ തന്നെ എല്ലാ ടോപ്പിക്കും ഡീറ്റെയിൽഡായി തന്നെ കുട്ടികൾക്ക് എടുത്തു കൊടുക്കാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞു. ക്ലാസ് 6ൽ വെൽ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ്ഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ടീച്ചേഴ്സാണ് ഹാൻഡിൽ ചെയ്തത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് ക്ലാസ് റൂം ലേണിംഗ് പെട്ടെന്ന് ഡിജിറ്റൽ ലേണിങ്ങിലേക്ക് വന്നപ്പോഴുള്ള ഡിഫിക്കൽട്ടീസൊന്നും കുട്ടികൾക്ക് ഫേസ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടി വന്നിട്ടില്ല. ഈ ഒരു ഇയർ കുട്ടികൾക്ക് ഒരുപാട് കാര്യങ്ങൾ മിസ് ചെയ്തു. പക്ഷേ അക്കാഡമിക് വൈസ് നോക്കുവാണെങ്കിൽ ഒരു നോർമൽ ഇയർ പോലെ തന്നെയായിരുന്നു ഈ ഒരു ഇയറും. ആക്ച്വലി ഈ ഒരു ഇയർ ടീച്ചേഴ്സിന് ഒരു ചാലഞ്ചിങ് ഇയർ തന്നെയായിരുന്നു. ഈ ഒരു അക്കാഡമിക് ഇയറിൽ ഓൺലൈൻ ക്ലാസ്സസിലൊക്കെ കുട്ടികളോടൊപ്പം പാരൻസിൻ്റെ കൂടി പ്രസൻസ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ആ ഒരു ടൈമിലൊക്കെ ടീച്ചേഴ്സ് വളരെ കോൺഫിഡൻറ്റോട് കൂടി തന്നെയാണ് ഓരോ ക്ലാസ്സസും ഹാൻഡിൽ ചെയ്തത്. ടീച്ചേഴ്സിൻ്റെ എഫേർട്ട് തന്നെയാണ് ഈ ഒരു ഇയറും സക്സസ്ഫുൾ ആവാനുള്ള കാരണം. So thanks to Principal Manoharan sir and all the teachers of SGPS Calicut. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Anup and she is Danya, parent of Daskake, studying in 3rd A at Sri Gokulam Public School, Calicut. I'm so happy to get an opportunity to appreciate all the teachers and principals for teaching their children online so efficiently. It's a new experience for my child and also for the teachers. And my son is taking great interest in online classes taken by the teachers. All the teachers took their maximum effort to groom their students is very excellent. It's a great experience for the students of Sri Gokulam Public School. According to me, the quality of online class is very excellent. The main advantage of this online class is that my child got a good knowledge how to attend the digital meeting, and it will be an advantage for his future also. During this academic year, all the portions are completed and the revision classes and all the exams are conducted on correct time. For this, I am once again thankful to all the teachers and principals of Sri Gokulam Public School. Now she will say something about the classes and all.
Hi. All the teachers are taking care of their students equally, and they gave chance to all students on all programs such as Arts First scholarship exams and also in assemblies. And my son is very much interested to attend in online classes, and he took only one sick leave. Our principals are and our teachers are very supportive and very much caring to all students. So we are thanking to all teachers and principals, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks to principal, teachers and other faculty members of Gokulam Public School, Calicut.
We really appreciate your dedication and hard work towards our kids, because it's not an easy task to manage the small kiddos. We know whatever effort that you have put forward for this through the online classes. Hats off for you guys. Thanks a lot. Really
Thank you
appreciate
to all the teachers.
Thank you.
Thank you.